As far as this incident is concerned, Delhi Baby Care Hospital fire probe has widened, with the police now adding sections 304 and 308 in the FIR. Two people, remember, have been arrested by the Delhi police so far. That includes Dr. Naveen Khichi, the owner of the hospital, as well as Dr. Akash, who was the on-duty doctor at the hospital, who fled the site immediately as that fire engulfed the baby care centre. The owner of the hospital has been arrested by Delhi police, as well as the on-duty doctor, Dr. Akash. Now, Delhi police widens its probe into this absolutely tragic incident that claimed the lives of 7 newborn babies. 1 baby was already dead and 6 other babies died as a result of that fire that engulfed the baby care centre on Saturday night. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is now joining us for more on this. Shreya, what more can you tell us about Delhi police adding sections 304 and 308 in the FIR?
Well, Paulami, the investigation ambit has been widened by the Delhi police by them invoking the sections 304A and 308 in this particular case. So far, they've arrested Dr. Naveen Khichi, who's the director and founder of the baby care center where this unfortunate incident took place. Apart from that, one of the other doctors, Akash, who was also on duty when the incident took place and fled the spot when the fire spread, has also been taken into custody by the Delhi police. We are being told by Delhi police sources, because the registration of the hospital was not just only under the name of Dr. Naveen Khichi, but also his wife. There is a possibility of her also being called in by the Delhi police for questioning, and if there is a possibility of her role in the negligence as well, there could be action being taken. Now, we've also accessed documents that has shown that the registration of the hospital expired on the 31st of March.
Right.
The maximum bed capacity that was given was 5. However, they were running on overcapacity. So serious flaws on the part of the hospital administration. Delhi police was already arrested the owner. We will see more action likely tomorrow as well.
Right. In fact, Shreya, just stay on with us. Let's just touch upon some of those major lapses that you mentioned that the police has discovered at the time of investigating this case. Major lapses, no arrangements at the hospital to extinguish fire, no emergency exits found at the baby care hospital. The hospital's license expired, as Shreya was telling us, on March 31st, 2024, and the hospital was running on over capacity. My colleague Shreya bringing us all of those details. Shreya, tell us more about these lapses that the police has discovered while investigating this very tragic and unfortunate incident.
Well, absolutely, Paulami. You know, there's a procedure for nursing homes to be registered under the Delhi Government Nursing Home Act, and so far the registration of the said the nursing home had expired on the 31st of March itself. So they had not renewed the license. So that also is an additional case of investigation that the Delhi police will look into. They say that there were 5 beds. That was the maximum capacity that was allotted to the nursing home. However, at the said time of the incident taking place, they were running on 12-bed capacity, which was an over capacity than the permitted limit. Apart from that, there was no proper fire exits. The NOCs required were not taken. And additionally, there are past cases also of the said hospital where they were already fined once for proper licensing not being done, and also negligence of an infant. So it looks like there's a dubious history of the hospital. They run 4 centers, as we've also earlier reported, 2 in the national capital, 1 in Faridabad and the other in Gurgaon. So there is all likelihood Delhi police putting a case against all these centers, and they will take into look about whether similar lapses are also a part of the other centers that are run by the same owner. So that is an investigation that the Delhi police continues as this man is being questioned by the authorities.
Shreya, thank you so much for bringing us all of those details.